sharks. Jump outs. All bad shit. Back to back, each man needs to be. We bring ass out this time. Don't play like that shit broke. Like, drop it back to back. Right to the crib for an hour. She gon' slide
Guys, we're taking the Beamer to the meet. This will be the first meet ever that I ever went to with these wheels because I did pick up the car exactly when I was going to a meet, so I ended up just taking it. And yeah, but this time, this is the first time it will be to a meet. And yeah, it has the wheels, it's clean. We are going to the car meet. It is like 24 minutes away. It is Base Community. For those that don't know what Base Community is, they're a pretty decent, you know, car little thrower people thingamajigger. But hey, let's just get a cold start for you guys. That's it. Like, enough talking. Let's just get a cold start for you guys. Ooh-wee! Never gets old. Never gets old. But right now we're gonna go pick up the Cuzzo and then we're gonna head over there. We're gonna be 30 minutes early. You guys probably can't see it, but I am sweating galore. It is currently 81 at goddamn 7:05 p.m. Yeah, 81, dude. Also, it is the same day as I did the reaction for my dad and for my other friend named Billy. So, yes, not the same shirt, okay? It's not the same shirt. Chill out. Or it is the same shirt, but different day. Or same day. Anyways, we're gonna go pick them up and then we're going straight to the meet. There's a two-step competition, so I'm not joining it because I don't two-step. But yeah, guys, let's get straight into the video. Beautiful carbon fiber McLaren next to another McLaren. Ferrari right in the goddamn center. That's sick as hell. What do we got? Some freaking R34 right now. Shoo! That's some nice. Oh damn! Look at it. It's like flat. It's like, that's crazy. It looks kind of weird. Looks sick though. This is a nice like orange lava red type Corvette right here, bro. Watch, let me turn on the light for you. Actually, it's red. It looks like lava orange, but yeah. And then what the damn, this thing is street runner. Oh god. S14 Yarmouth dropped over there, but all this parking spot is still in need of a car. So again, we got here early and we're gonna be seeing all the cars come in. The Porsche coming in. It's green, I think. Let me go see what that looks like right there, bro. Let me see what that Porsche looks like. Damn, looks nice. It's a little vlogger in there. I see a little vlogger. I wonder who it is. I don't think I've ever seen this one yet. I'm not gonna lie. This one's nice. Is it? No way it's Rampage. Oh, it is. It is a Rampage Jackson. I didn't see the driver. I just saw the camera and everything in there. Yeah, it's Rampage. I know, but it's fucking UFC fighter.
Yeah, I know. And you know what's crazy? I just met Chuck Liddell a couple weeks ago.
I saw that. Yeah. Crazy. That's so funny. I always see him online with Neon and all of them. Now he's here. Dude, this Ford right here, this thing two steps insane, bro. It is so loud. Yeah, flames and pops. Damn, it's gonna get rowdy tonight.
Oh yeah, it is.
For sure. Yeah, this guy right here shoots massive cannons and like crazy flames, bro. Yo, it might get rowdy tonight. There's Rampage Jackson. That's so funny. That's so crazy. Yo, Rampage Jackson. That is so crazy. Check his stream right now. He's on Kick or something. It's like I always see these people on social media with like Neon or Dean the Great. Now I see him here. I didn't know he had a Porsche GT3, honestly, to be honest. I did not know. Look at that freaking wire dancing. Little picture, quick flick. WWW. That's so sick. All right, boys, the McLaren has came in. It looked kind of, I think it was all carbon, but I think it's just all gray. Yeah, it's all gray. Shoot, nice little McLaren. Another Porsche just coming in. Oh, this is the DDE Given one. Nice, nice, nice. All right, looks like a lot more cars are coming in. I see a Corvette. Yeah, bro, it's gonna get big. Hell yeah, dude. I haven't been to a meet in such a long time. It's gonna get good. It's gonna get rowdy. Rampage is here. That's how you know someone's about to get knocked the hell out. I see an R8 coming in, and then I think I see a Beamer with some nice chrome wheels. Let me see what's going on over here. Ooh. Damn, this blue is actually kind of nice. I'm not gonna lie. Carbon fiber splitter, nice fenders. Sheesh, top speed. thing is clean, I'm not gonna lie. I don't think I've ever seen this one before. Huh. It's nice though, it's very nice. Oh, that's another Beamer with chrome wheels. Damn, bro, I'm joining the Beamer gang. Yo, I gotta make my car crazy, dude. Like, I got to. Like, people gotta be like, oh, look, that's that guy. I gotta do it, dude. And a fat old wheels, look at that, dude. Sheesh, those wheels are fat. Oh yeah, it's getting packed, boys. They're all coming in at once, dude. Woo-wee. Another Beamer going on. It's like I'm attached and magnetized to the Beamer now, dude. It's so funny. Yeah, I wrapped it white and I put black wheels. It looks sick. It looks more VIP than the purple. Guys, I'm telling him that I wrapped my Hyundai white and black, and I'm basically gonna show him the Beamer.
Where's the whip at?
It's right there, dude.
Where?
I wrapped it white with black rims.
The beam? Traded it? Wait, are you playing with me or you actually got a Beamer?
I don't know.
Wait, you got a Beamer, fool? Wait, I thought you were messing with me, fool. No way. That's my
Thanks,
boy.
bro. Thanks.
This is fire.
This is my car.
Bro, I thought you were messing with me because it's a white car with black wheels. Dog. Wait, so what is it, 328?
It's a 240i.
240i.
Yeah,
Okay.
240i.
I'm not great with my Beamers, I'm still learning.
Shit, me too. I'm still learning.
Oh, this is fire, bro. Congrats.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
That was sick. No, that was a dope setup.
Little dope setup. You're like, it's the Beamer. Want to hear it? Yeah.
It doesn't do nothing crazy. It just pops like a fucking.
Yeah, it sounds healthy, bro.
Rev it. Rev it a little bit. Just do it just a little bit.
Sounds good, bro.
It doesn't have the pops right now, huh? It's cold.
Yeah, it sounds. Hey, but it sounds good. Sounds really good, bro. It sounds really.
Typical BMW.
All right, guys, let's go look at the rest of the cars. More Beamers are pulling up. Supers are pulling up. So many cars pulled up when I was showing the guy the car. Guys, look at this Beamer with the red headlights. This is something that I kind of want to do, but instead of red, it's gonna be blue, just to match the blue calipers. I think this thing looks sick as hell with red headlights. I think that looks dope as hell, bro. I missed it. I missed it. Do it again. One more. One more. Guys, I cannot record this car. I cannot record this car. It's gonna get demonetized. Yo, guys, it is so freaking packed, dude. Like, bro. People for sure came through, bro. Look at this, guys. And it's not even 9 o'clock, and that's when actual like car meets start, dude. So there are more people, and more people are gonna be coming in. There's a freaking billionaire supposedly that's here. That the McLaren that you guys saw with the graphic wrap. I didn't know who he was. My brother told me who he was. He said that he freaking cheats on casinos and such. Yeah, and he's like a billionaire. I don't know, dude. You learn something new every day, dude, so yeah. Oh, and the cops are here. Uh-oh. I think I hear someone popping over there, or he's shooting flames or something. Aura, dude. Look at all these people. Aura. I need to be like that, dude. I don't know if I can make a Beamer do that. If I do, my whole car's gonna destroy and die. So I might be cooked. All right, Jonathan. Pop quiz. Farmer A sells corn. Farmer B sells wheat. What does Farmer C sell?
Farmer A sells corn, Farmer B sells weed. What
Yeah.
does Farmer C sell?
Yeah. Look at him.
I don't know, pharmacy? Like medicine? No.
Farmer, what?
Medicine? I don't know.
Dang! Yeah, because it's Farmer's Pharmacy.
Pharmacy,
Oh, damn, you're smart. Damn, okay, hold on now. Guys, this S14 pulled up. Hell yeah. Oh, this one's sick. Here, roll the fenders. Yeah, R34, dude, I think sounds crazy too.
No insurance.
Oh, look at
He's
that
going
red.
left. He's going left. He's going left.
Yo.
Guys, move.
I have never seen this one before.
Move.
I have never seen this one
Make
before.
way, please make
Damn.
way. You got it,
Dude,
you got it. Go
this
ahead,
thing
keep
is
going,
so
keep going,
clean.
you're good, you're
Look at the
good, you're
red
good,
on
you're
there.
clear. Keep it rolling.
It's cool. Damn, that thing sounds crazy. So loud too. Damn, sounds nice to flutter. Oh my god, what is going on over there? Alright guys, we're gonna be looking at the Ford GT. It's not a GT, I don't think, but this thing is insanely loud. Insanely loud, guys. Cops are definitely gonna start coming, lads. Oh my god. Oh, watch out. Bro, that Ford is so loud, man. It is dead, like scary loud how it is, man. But I'm telling you, that Supra, oh, dude, that thing is deadly, dude. So deadly. Coming! Oh! Guys, I think this is the taillights that I want for the Beamer. I think his are red, but I'm gonna get mine smoked. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get mine smoked, but his are red. Oh my, oh no. Damn.
That was crazy.
That was nice. Woo, that sounds nice. I think it shoots flames, I'm not quite sure. Damn, that sounds nice. There goes Rampage Jackson. Nice sinking, my boy. Damn. Dude, I keep forgetting to change my mic settings. Sorry guys that you guys can't hear me sometimes. Sometimes I change it to like only in front of me so that you guys can hear like to like the maximum potential, but then I always forget. We got the billionaire leaving. This is too graphic for you guys. This cannot be posted on YouTube. Alright guys, I'm not gonna talk, you guys just gonna hear the vehicles now.
shot a fucking rock.
No wonder he's got a baddie with him.
A lot of smoke in such little time. Ooh, that sounded good too. Oh shit, Bugatti. Oh, that was the Brabus, dude. Got the S14 leaving.
Oh man, oh man. I saw something in there, like a little flame.
Do it again. No, do not do it again. Yeah, get home. Get home.
Gotta do that. Gotta do it. Alright guys, I think it's time to get the hell out of here. The cops are here, and so that means we are out of here, boys. It was a crazy damn freaking car meet, bro. Like, oh my god. That was an insane car meet, dude. Guys, I'm not sure, but I think I saw a cop, but there's still a bunch of cars revving and two-stepping. I'm not sure, so. Yep, that cop is definitely not there. All right, boys, we outie, we outie.
I put my window up because I don't want to feel embarrassed.
I'm not gonna like burn out or anything. How many points is that? How many points is that?
+3. That weak ass.
All right, guys, we are home and we are safe and sound up in here, bro. Godly, what a freaking bro. What a goddamn meet that was, to be honest. Guys, I haven't been to a meet like that in such a long time. That was great. That was great. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video, and if you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. For installation videos. Peace.